Bank and credit union executives share common strategic transformation goals, such as streamlining loan origination, rebalancing their branch network, and automating back-office tasks to improve scale and efficiency. Let the lab help. We've worked with hundreds of financial institutions to implement the most valuable standardization, process improvements, automation, analytics, and AI. In this video, we're going to highlight one of the most benefit-rich automation use cases: processing right-to-offset transactions. Traditionally, this has been a tremendous burden for your deposit operations staff, manually transferring money to negative deposit accounts, delinquent loans, and delinquent credit cards from positively funded customer accounts with available funds. That's thousands of hours of repetitive manual work day after day, year after year. Here's the actual right-to-offset bot at work.
Hello.
The bot begins by accessing and reading all of the negative deposit accounts, delinquent loans, delinquent credit cards, and donor accounts reports.
Then I sort all of the delinquent accounts by priority levels based on product types.
Now the bot logs into the core.
Here I'm using Fiserv DNA, but I can work with any core.
That's right. Be sure to check out the lab's right-to-offset bot video, which uses the FIS Atlas Miser core.
Once inside, I navigate to the Transaction Express menu.
Of course, the bot needs to first check for any accounts with exclusions, which would prevent it from performing right-to-offset transfers.
So I check each account against the lost mitigation, promise to pay, and protected funds exclusion reports on the shared drive. I quickly flag and skip any accounts that show up in any of these reports.
Now that the bot has filtered out all the exclusions, it's ready to do its real work.
That's right. For each account that's ready to be offset, I look up the account holder's donor accounts in the core. I check for the current available balance and I create a withdrawal transaction using the offset amount, or what's available in the account, whichever is less.
If the available amount isn't enough to offset and the person has other donor accounts, the bot would work to transfer funds from those other accounts.
Call me persistent.
Next, the bot looks up the delinquent account in the core and creates a payment transaction using either the offset amount or the amount it could take from the donor accounts.
Then I confirm that the net amount is 0 and I post the transactions.
The bot repeats these steps for all the other accounts in the reports until the predefined process cutoff time, if one is set, has been reached.
Look at me go!
Now the bot logs into the account origination system and submits all the account numbers that it just processed as a batch workflow.
So all of the accounts get updated in the system.
Finally, the bot emails a detailed report of its output directly to the deposit operations team. With its intelligent document processing and machine learning capabilities, this 100% automated process helps the typical bank or credit union increase process resiliency while improving data accuracy and reducing cycle times and errors for customers or members. Not only that, it recoups thousands of hours of repetitive manual labor a year, while preventing thousands of dollars of unrecouped losses to the organization each day.
Happy to help.
Transform your bank or credit union with the power of automation. To book your demo, contact the lab today.